Hey, to turn on or off noise cancellation on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you will have to open the Galaxy wearable application, input your earbuds inside your ears, and now we can select active noise cancellation. And below we can even adjust the level of the noise cancellation by moving this dot to the left or to the right side. And the second way is just to go into the earbud controls, then be sure that you've got enabled this gesture for the left or the right earbud. And now when you pinch one of your earbud, you will be able to switch the modes. So I'm gonna actually input the right earbud inside my ear, and I'm gonna do this on the left one. So we have to pinch right here in this place and in this place. So take a look, that's how it works. Click and hold. Now we turns into the ambient sound, and now let's click and hold again. And now we switch into the active noise cancellation. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.